During the queen's burial ceremony, elders prayed for her spirit to rest among the ancestors. But even after the funeral ended, sadness remained inside the palace walls. For 2 long years, King Adigwe refused to remarry. But the elders of Obadike began to fear for the future of the kingdom. They believed the palace could not remain without a queen. Reluctantly, they pressured the king to take another wife. After many discussions and royal ceremonies, King Adigwe finally married a beautiful young woman named Ezine, the daughter of a powerful, noble elder named Chief Ezeaku. Unknown to many within the kingdom, Chief Ezeaku had desired royal power for many years. From the very beginning, he carefully manipulated events to ensure his daughter became queen. At first, Queen Ezine behaved with kindness and humility. She treated Obinna with respect in public and earned the trust of many palace servants. But everything changed after she gave birth to a son only a few months later. The birth of the child filled Chief Ezeaku with dangerous ambition. He began secretly reminding his daughter that her son could never become king while Obinna remained alive. Slowly, jealousy and greed began poisoning Queen Ezine's heart. As time passed, Queen Ezine's hatred toward Obinna grew stronger. Behind closed doors, she insulted him, humiliated him before servants, and slowly turned some palace workers against him. Though Obinna tried remaining respectful, he could feel the growing hostility around him. Late one night, inside Chief Ezeaku's private chambers, a dark conversation took place. The chief warned his daughter that once King Adigwe died, Obinna would become king, and her own son would live in his shadow forever. Driven by fear and ambition, they began secretly planning ways to remove Obinna from the throne. Some plans involved poisoning him. Others involved arranging accidents during hunting trips or training battles. But they knew they had to move carefully because the people of Obadike loved Obinna deeply. Unknown to them, destiny was already protecting the rightful heir. King Adigwe slowly began noticing disturbing changes around his son. Servants no longer treated Obinna with the same honor they once showed him. Some guards ignored his commands, while others whispered behind his back whenever he walked through the palace halls. Queen Ezine's hatred toward Obinna had quietly influenced many people within the palace. Though Obinna remained calm and disciplined, the king could see the pain hidden behind his son's silence. Deep inside, King Adigwe realized that danger around the throne was growing stronger. Determined to protect his son's position, King Adigwe summoned the royal elders, chiefs, warriors, and villagers to the palace courtyard. Before the entire kingdom, he made a powerful declaration. Prince Obinna would officially become the crown prince of Obadike and the recognized heir to the throne. Drums thundered loudly as royal guards knelt before Obinna for the first time. Villagers cheered proudly, while servants who once disrespected him immediately lowered their heads in fear and respect. Even Queen Ezine struggled to hide her anger. From that day onward, everyone understood that disrespecting Obinna meant disrespecting the future king himself. Later that night, King Adigwe called Obinna into his private chambers. The atmosphere was quiet and heavy as father and son sat together alone. For a long moment, the old king simply stared at Obinna with pride and concern in his eyes. Then he finally spoke. He warned Obinna that becoming crown prince would bring both honor and danger. He explained that many people desired power and that enemies would continue rising against him because of the throne. The king told his son he must prepare himself mentally, spiritually, and physically for the battles ahead. Though young, Obinna listened carefully with maturity and courage. As the fire burned quietly beside them, the king placed his hand on Obinna's shoulder and reminded him that true kings are not made by crowns alone, but by strength, wisdom, sacrifice, and survival. And deep within the palace shadows, unseen enemies were already planning their next move.